Well, just 24 hours before government formation, there is hectic political activity across the capital. And since 10 a.m., we've seen a string of BJP leaders line up at the Gujarat Bhavan to meet Narendra Modi. Arun Jaitley met Narendra Modi at the Gujarat Bhavan. Satpal Singh has reached Rajnath Singh's residence in Delhi. Also, Shahnawaz Hussain has reached Rajnath Singh's residence. Anurag Thakur has also reached the residence of Rajnath Singh. And Arun Jaitley and Amit Shah are at Gujarat Bhavan meeting Narendra Modi simultaneously, while there is another group of leaders holding meetings at Rajnath Singh's residence. Jagdish Mukhi, meanwhile, has come to the RSS headquarters, and he said that all options for the BJP to form a government in Delhi are also open at this point in time. The Lieutenant Governor, of course, has to take a decision on that. Clearly, senior leaders of the BJP understanding that there is a Modi wave and perhaps elections in Delhi at this point in time could mean a clear victory for them. Now, my colleague Brijesh Pandey is joining me from outside Rajnath Singh's residence. We have reporters fanned out across the capital bringing us all the updates minute by minute on what meetings are taking place. Brijesh, take us through the developments outside Rajnath Singh's residence.
Well, the last 1 hour has seen almost all the top BJP leaders visiting Rajnath Singh's residence. Varun Gandhi is still inside. Uma Bharti paid a visit. RK Singh came, and you know, apart from that, a couple of allies also paid a visit, of which Anupriya Patel, of Apna Dal, with which BJP had a pre-poll alliance in Uttar Pradesh. She also paid a visit, and when we asked her is she looking at any kind of cabinet berth, she said that she has been told by both Modi and Rajnath ji that the interests of the allies will be taken care of. So clearly frantic efforts and hectic parleys have begun at the earliest at the Gujarat Bhavan. Amit Shah, Arun Jaitley are meeting Narendra Modi, and Uddhav Thackeray is also expected to be in Delhi to hold discussions with Modi. So the precursor to the formation of the cabinet is in full swing. All the first-time MPs are also paying visit to the party president Rajnath Singh, and also are trying to get in touch with RSS. They are submitting their applications to the coterie concerned, where they are expected to put forth their candidature for any post they feel suitable, and only after that a consultation will be taken by the core group and the cabinet formation will be decided. So right now there's hectic activity both at Gujarat Bhavan and as well as the residence of party president Rajnath Singh.
Well, absolutely, as anticipated, hectic activity across the capital with senior leaders meeting Narendra Modi, meeting Rajnath Singh, allies of course wanting a share of that pie.